Hello everyone, my name is Shristhy Sharma or here I am presenting presentation on Microsoft Office. So my first topic is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is also known as word processor. It has an extension .docx. The Microsoft Word is used for typing letters, application, biodata, question paper and book notes, etc. Basically, we with the help of Word, we made some letter application like in school or in office also. We have submit some application, or we have to make our biodata in words, and like teachers also use Word for making question papers for students, and we also use this Word for making notes. And here is my assignments. So my first assignment is a column exercise. Like these are 3 columns. We divided paragraph into 3 columns, and this is another assignment. Invitation card. I made this invitation card with the option of mail merge, and also I added some pictures here, and like we here mention some name and address also, and venue name or date and all, and these information also we can store for another invitation card, so we don't have to waste the time to write all the time this information again and again. And this is another exercise. This is my resume, and like this, these are divided in 2 columns. Like in a 1 column I have written my personal information, like in profile with in a shape, rectangle shape. My studies information in different columns. And this is pie chart which I have created in we have options in Word, like for the chart and different kind of chart. This is a pie chart, but we have many more to make different kind of charts, like we use in another datas. And then we move on another topic, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is used to store information in the form of rows and columns, which can then be organized and processed. Microsoft Excel file is also known as spreadsheet or workbook and has extension .xlsx. So Microsoft Excel be used for to make balance sheet, financial sheet. Like in a companies we use this Excel. Not in a companies, even in a small business they use Excel to record their records. Okay, so this is my first assignment in Excel, mark sheet. So we have some students name and their marks in different subjects like Hindi, English, Math, Science, Computer, or and then we total their marks, and also we find their percentage and scholarship, who get the scholarship in which percentage. So like we total with the help of Excel formula sum, and we can also have their percentage with the help of Excel formula, with the use of Excel formula. And even a scholarship we use another example, like count if like who has scored more than 80 and who touched 90, and you can see we have some highlights also, like with the red and green color. Red which we use for who have not scored well, and like we see clearly in Hindi subject they have not scored well marks. So we highlight these marks with the help of conditional formatting, and then we done. And here employees, we have another assignment, employees payroll. Employees payroll, we have name of employees. we have name of employees and categories, or we have their basic salaries, and we find with the help of basic salaries DA, their DA, HRA and gross salary. And we can also total with the help of Excel formulas. And then this is another example of, this is another assignment of my Excel. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP stand for vertical lookup, and HLOOKUP stand for horizontal lookup. Like we have raw data, and we have given raw data, we made a perfect report with the help of raw data. So we have only common in the both data employees ID. And then we have another example in of HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is horizontal, like vertically, like same as vertically, also horizontal, but the difference is we have given vertical data is on the form of vertical, and in a HLOOKUP we have given data in horizontal form, and we calculate as same as we calculate both. And then we move on another topic, MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint file is known as presentation and has an extension .pptx. Like I have created this presentation in a PowerPoint, and I have also created an animation scenery with the all help of animation, like I showed you. This is my assignment. This is my first assignment in animation scenery, and we're done. Thank you so much.